learners, it's me again, Mrs. Calise, back for another day of calendar. Can't believe we're already on Friday. Today is Friday. The month is April. And today's date is the 17th. I need to write the 1 first and then the 7 because if you remember, one group of 10 plus 7 little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 17. That's what 17 is. It's one group of 10 and 7 little ones. And if you get it mixed up, now you're talking about 71. That's a way bigger number than 17. That's 7 groups of 10 and 1 1. Be careful. We want to be careful when we write those teen numbers. You know, tomorrow is Saturday, and you're going to be on the weekend. I hope you have a great weekend. Wonder what you're going to get to do outside, or if you're going to play with any people in your family, like play some games, or every Friday night we have a movie night. So I wonder what movie we're going to watch. All right, on to our last 3D object. Our last 3D object we're going to be learning is called a cylinder. And I know we don't have a question of the day, but that's because we're going to be talking about all of our 3D objects in just a moment. Cylinder sounds a lot like the word silly to me. Silly cylinder. And they are a little silly. You can roll them. You can stack them. They have 2 circle faces. That's kind of silly. And they're round. Now remember, 3D objects are not flat. They are solid figures or solid objects. So let's look at some cylinder examples. This purple cylinder looks kind of like my blue cylinder. As I touch it, I want you to say, silly cylinder. Silly cylinder. It went away. I think we hurt its feelings. Try the other one. Silly cylinder. Silly cylinder. Uh-oh. All right, let's try another one. How about this birthday cake? It's not all birthday cakes are shaped like this, but this one is a cylinder. It has a circle on the top and a circle on the bottom. It's round on the sides. Ready? Silly cylinder. Silly cylinder. How about this can of soup? The can of soup's like, don't say it. Don't say it. Well, we're going to say it. Silly cylinder. Silly cylinder. So silly. All right, a log. Now, when a tree is standing up, you know, it's pretty strong with the roots into the ground. But when it falls over, you can roll it. There are even people who do log rolling in the water. They stand on a log and they actually roll it. You should look up videos on log rolling. Wah! Silly cylinder. Silly cylinder. All right, last one. Of course, you would never play with fire, but candles can be shaped like a cylinder. I want to tell you a story about my candle here. This is my, it was like peach. So pretty and shaped like a cylinder. But it was lit last week while I was in here doing my makeup. And one of my cats, you know who, Derek, he backed up my other cat, Yankee, and Yankee burnt some of his tush on my candle. They're no joke. But they are sometimes shaped like cylinders. Silly cylinder. Don't worry, Yankee is okay. But he was a little confused why he was hot all of a sudden. All right, we've learned about lots of 3D objects this week. I want you to try and name them. It has 6 faces. Can be a dice, box. It is a cube. If you said